Hi everyone, in front of me I've got KODAK K12 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the apps. Then we have to scroll down to find special app access, and here scroll to find install unknown apps. And right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So let's pretend I'd like to download the app from Chrome, not from the Google Play Store, which is a usual place from which we will download the apps, but from the browser, from any kind of website. So the first thing we have to do is to allow that kind of installation. So let's go to Chrome. Or any other app of your choice, of course. Here we've got the switcher and simply tap on it. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is now allowed to install some content. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can do it for all other apps which are listed right here. Just tap on it and tap on the switcher. And you can also remove previously granted permissions the same way. So just tap on the app and tap on the switcher, and after getting back you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.